Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Amna Husain, board certified pediatrician, board certified lactation consultant, and mom. So today's the day, you have baby, you're ready to go outside, you really need to get out for some fresh air. So let's talk about planning baby's first outing. So first off, let's talk about what I recommend for baby's outing. This does not need to be a huge thing. In fact, I recommend what we call a test drive. So this is gonna be baby's first test drive outing. This is again a test drive for you. I personally think that if I was to go out for my first outing, and this is how I did it for both my kids actually, was keep it small, keep it to a short walk, a walk around the block, or a 5 to 10 minute walk. Don't lug that diaper bag that's got diapers and wipes and ointments and creams and mats with you for this first test drive outing. You are just trying to stretch your legs as a parent and get used to taking a baby with you. On that note, my second tip is ditch the stroller. If you can, baby wear. It will, first of all, keep your hands free, allows you a little bit more mobility, kind of feels like you're walking again. You have, of course, this little weight that you were used to carrying already, potentially, but it allows you to have your hands free. It allows a little bit more intimate bonding because the baby is a little bit closer to your stroller as well. If baby does start to cry or whimper, you're able to, again, comfort them in a little bit of an easier way than if they were in a stroller. My third tip, try to avoid crowds if possible. Again, I say if possible, but this isn't going to be the time that you want to go to the mall or go to crowded areas unless potentially you go during the morning or when it's not super crowded and you want to just quietly, leisurely pace. Maybe you live close to a mall, but it might involve you putting baby in a car seat, taking baby out. Important because we don't usually recommend putting sunscreen on babies under 6 months. You're instead going to want to aim for sun protective clothing, sticking to not sunnier times of the day, shaded areas. So that's why I recommend going, if you can, before 10 a.m. and or after 4 to 5 p.m. So when it's not super sunny, and that's for the baby's protection as well. I really highly recommend you keep all of those things in mind. Lastly, and this isn't as much of a tip as it is more just encouragement and guidance, if you feel like you're not ready to venture out yet, that's okay. That is totally fine. This is when you are ready to venture out and you're ready to feel like, I want to stretch my legs a little bit, I want to exercise how it is to have this baby and kind of try to do a few outings. Keep it small, keep it simple until you feel like your confidence has improved and you feel a little bit more comfortable to do other outings. I think that personally this was really important to me as a first-time mom, but then even after I became a parent to two, trying to navigate an outing with two was really difficult. Keep things small, keep things short. Personally, if you're not ready, nobody's rushing you out the door. You might find that it makes you feel really good to get out there, but if you're not super ready and you feel stressed out by the idea, stay home if you want to. Keep cuddling that baby at home. Keep working with, latching, whatever you might be doing if you're potentially on your mat leave or pat leave. All right, so if you have any other tips that I forgot when you're planning your baby's first outing, make sure you leave them below. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. I'd love to know what helped you when you were planning your first outing or test drive with baby. Have a good one. Stay tuned in for next week's video. Bye.